Hi, welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today I thought it might be kind of fun to walk around Hobby Lobby and kind of show you some of my favorites of an everyday decor type of thing and how you can really elevate your rooms or an area for not as much money and just simple things that you can keep and intermingle, through the house and interchange. When you can find pieces of decor that you can change up and use in different areas of your home, obviously that is cost effective, right? And that can also go through maybe seasons and that kind of stuff. I know that we always think of Hobby Lobby as a great seasonal shopping, and I've taken you through for seasons and stuff. But I thought it might be kind of helpful to take a look at just the everyday things you can find at Hobby Lobby. So let's get started. One thing I want to start with is the furniture, because I think that a lot of people forget that Hobby Lobby has furniture, maybe not couches, that kind of thing, but side tables, accent tables, bar stools, that kind of thing, and a good price. They are always 30% off. So when you're needing like a little bookcase or a bookshelf, that kind of thing, it's important, take a look, see what you can find. Hobby Lobby is a great place to find faux flowers. They are so realistic, beautiful stems. And again, when you wait for them to be 50% off, it's every other week, basically, I think. If you find, a color, they have every color, every type of flower. Whether it's seasonal or just every day, they're just beautiful. And the greenery is beautiful. I have the greenery, which you'll see at the end of this video, all over the house, and florals. It is such an easy way to make a big statement. And don't forget, they have the pots for a ground, like a faux plant, to be down in the ground, maybe with a mirror or, next to a side table or whatever you need. They have great prices on that. They have the small little containers for maybe shelves for filler. I have that sort of thing all over the house. So really take a look. They're easy ways to really make impact statements in your decor. and wall art. Oh my gosh, they have so much wall art. And what I love is using some of the smaller art pieces. Like I really love the landscapes, that kind of thing, on shelves or up on my mantle. And they just have beautiful, beautiful artwork. I have it all over the house, quite honestly. And I'll show you a few pieces at the end in my home. But I just love, and I love how they do like little vignettes, because if you're not very comfortable with decorating your home, or what goes with different, you know what I mean, what goes together, they do little vignettes around the store that kind of give you ideas. Vases that would go with this art pieces, or a pillow that would go with this art piece, or little tchotchkes, or shelf decor, or things for the coffee table that would all go together. So if you're struggling with that kind of thing, it's nice to have that. It's kind of a little bit of a support system while you're shopping for your home. And I think that's just a really nice, kind of helpful tool to have. if you're needing vases, for greenery like we talked about earlier, or just like shelf filler or something for a mantle or just anything, they have wonderful selections of vases, and they're different places all over the store. So make sure you look around, but they have every different, like anything else in this store, there is so many different design styles in there. Mirrors, I've bought plenty of mirrors from there. Lamps, beautiful, beautiful sets of lamps. And when they're on sale, it's a great price. It's way better than even sometimes Home Goods. So I highly recommend for these items there as well. Right now, the spring shop, what they consider spring shop, is 66% off. Basically, they're getting ready for Christmas and Thanksgiving and that kind of thing. So they're trying to get rid of all the spring and summer type of items. So, organization right now is 66% off. Kitchen stuff, wood, like charcuterie boards. I saw some great ones. Organizing bins. They also have a 75% off. I have found some gems in that section. So whenever you visit a Hobby Lobby, make sure you go and check those items, because there can be some really great pieces in there for very, very inexpensive. This video was helpful, and I hope that by me being able to kind of show you how I've styled things that I've purchased at Hobby Lobby, or even things I've purchased but that they have like items at Hobby Lobby that probably are cheaper. Gosh, remember, always shop it when it's 50% off or 40% off. It's always 1 week after the next. So like right now when I went in, all wall art, hardware, stuff like that, is pretty much what I noticed is the 50% off. Now next week it will be all, like the tchotchkes and knickknacks and vases, stuff like that. The florals probably will be on sale. So if you see something that you like when you go in and it's not on sale, just wait 1 more week, because I guarantee you it will be on sale. They no longer do the 40% off coupon anymore, so you kind of have to wait for the sales. But it's a great place. It is a great place for everyday decor, organization, florals. You know, I didn't really focus on pillows and throws, but they do have some. I think they carry more of a seasonal on that, but they do have it. Gosh, just so much. Themed rooms, like for kids, for a theater room, or you know, something like that. You know, there's so many different themed areas, so much. So I hope this helped, and I hope I gave you some great ideas to cost effectively decorate your home and make the best home you can. Thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate you, and have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Here are some ways that I've styled in my home to kind of give you some ideas of what I've been talking about and the different items I've showed you in this video of how you can, you know, kind of use these items and make a big impact. And you know, not a lot of money. It doesn't have to be really expensive items. It can, but you know, they look beautiful. And I just thought it'd be nice to kind of share with you my ideas of design and how I use Hobby Lobby to achieve that.